Hey everybody, it's me Malea&Alikah. Today we're going to be unboxing a snack crate. So today is Hawaii.
They take it out.
So it always comes with these stuff. And it comes with a stickers. It has a snack crate sticker.
And I think the whole thing.
So first off, we got Hawaii kettle style potato chips. It's Layu barbecue.
Luau barbecue.
And we have this pineapple soup. And then we have this Maui style Maui onion potato chips. And then we got Diamond Bakery Hawaiian Original since 1921. Hawaii Gummies candy bread.
Tiny maple nugget.
And then we got more pineapples and gummies.
Hot tea.
And then we got, I think this is something new we haven't tried. Nope. And then we have this. It's some candy. Well, I can't really see what it is, but it says Asian Trans Lihin.
Mommy, eat it now.
And then we have now Choco Moco chocolate covered Japanese rice crackers.
And we have tiny palette.
And I'm recording with my mom.
And
this says Kona Crunch chocolate favorite
and
that macadamia nuts with rice crisp.
Did you see this one?
Oh no! And then we have some Haichu pineapple.
And it's a
Haichin.
Haichin.
And this is some. It says Aloha Mocha. And then this says Maui Carrot.
Oh, open this.
Okay.
Oh,
Mommy, which one should we open first?
This one.
I guess that one.
Okay.
Yay.
So the first one is gonna be Asian Trans.
You know?
I know.
How. Let me see.
And now Kagami.
Okay. My mom and I and my sister and my dad are gonna be trying all of this.
Yeah. It's yummy.
Daddy, you wanna try one?
Okay.
My dad can know how it girls little boy.
You need me to translate sometimes.
Try it, Lika.
Tastes pretty good. It's sweet. It's very flavored.
It has
Yeah, it has a rainbow.
Yeah, and we eat and it so good.
Okay, next one.
Next one.
Yeah.
Okay. I really want to try these gummies.
Give them to sister.
I can eat Maya.
She's still on the first one. So these are pineapples. It's translucent.
Translucent.
On a scale of 1 to 10, this tastes. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. So.
It's really chewy.
Yep, it's very chewy. Kind of looks like Jello. It tastes like pineapple. It's good.
It's very kissy, guys.
Yeah, it's very squishy.
It's like kissy, but it's gummy.
We have another round of gummies.
These are not gummies. These are hard candy.
Oh,
I don't think I want your sister to eat these.
okay.
But you can try it.
Okay. So I guess I'm the only one trying this. Maybe my mom. It says plum candy.
Guys, this is good because it's not hard. It's not hard.
I thought it was gummy,
It's not
but it's not.
hard.
So
It's not
it looks like
hard.
it doesn't really look like a peach.
Show it.
It's not hard.
It looks kind of weird. Looks like eyeball.
It says plum, not peach.
Guys, I not tried this out, but I tried it out now.
You like it? No?
I'm not tried. I have to try this
What
out.
do you not good? What's wrong with it? What did it taste like?
It just didn't taste good.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you the flavors. It
Oh,
tastes
guys.
kind of like wood.
Oh,
What?
guys.
Okay, next one.
Oh,
Okay,
guys.
next one. So the next one I really want to taste is I want to taste these,
And I not taste this one.
and afterward taste this one.
No, I not taste it.
So first of all, so this, it looks like rock candy. It looks like a rock.
And
And when you bite it, it's very good.
it's hot cake.
So
Guys,
and
this
And the top,
is
it is
And it melts in your
chocolate.
mouth.
And it melts in your mouth. And inside it has like this crackery flavor thing.
Rice crackers.
And rice cracker, my mom said.
Mm-hmm.
It's very good
Guys,
and very exquisite.
suppose this is
High cheese mix.
tomato and milk.
Alright, we're gonna be trying this. It's called Haichu pineapple and it's chewy.
And
Let me-
I know how
Let
to
me
open
open
it.
it. Let me open it.
I know how to open it. Guys, and I not tried that. I like this. I not
So
tried.
of course my mom's gonna try some.
Yes, I tried some.
We have lots of leftovers.
Guys, this is very chewy. What?
So yep, very chewy. Tastes like pineapple.
Our today,
Strawberry.
may not take this out, but I'll try it out now.
I don't know what else to say about this.
Is it good? You like it?
I was scared 1 to 10. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. How do you give it, Mom?
A 10 out of 10.
She gives it a 10 out of 10. What do you give it, Luca?
GTD.
She said 3 out of 10.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
So she gave it a 3. Me and my mom gave it a 10.
Guys, you're not try out now, guys.
Okay. Next one is this. So I think I tried this before. It was very good. I'll taste it again so you guys know.
Yeah, guys. Pause. Now, guys.
It's very hard to make.
Yeah, guys. You know that?
Or we can have that one. As you can see, it's like caramel inside, and then on the outside, it seems like a chocolate.
We got more about Titan now. Let's leave. I get Titan. Good.
Give it a 10 out of 10. What do you give it, Mom?
It's good, Malea.
Dumb. I need to a 10.
She gives it a 10.
What's next?
Mommy, which one do you want to pick?
Try that one.
This one? This one?
Okay, guys. Now
That's not part of it.
we touch that.
That's a bonus.
I eat already, guys. I okay.
It looks good. It kind of looks like, I'll tell you what it tastes like and looks like. Here we go, Lika. So this is what it looks like. It looks kind of like a birthday cake, but it says it is candy bread.
Bead.
Bead? What?
It tastes like shortbread.
I'm gonna try it.
Exactly what she said. It has some sprinkles in it. I'll give it a 1 out of 10.
Why?
So it's not very tasty.
Are you saying it's not enough sugar for you?
You know I love sugar.
Me too.
Okay,
This is
just waiting for Alika.
Yummy.
Now.
Next one.
Okay, moving on. We should try this. It's called Kona Crunch. But spelled crunch wrong. We need Mom to the rescue.
Okay, that makes my cookie.
Thank you, Mom. Ooh, it looks good.
Mom, what is on
I think it's too hard for you to eat.
Okay,
man.
So it looks like
Don't put
this.
the entire thing
It
in your
makes
mouth.
a cupcake, but it's not cupcake.
Don't put the whole thing in your mouth, okay? Bite it.
Hard to chew.
It might be dear. Okay, guys, I eat it. Don't let
Yeah,
her.
it's too hard to eat.
Okay, guys, let's it. Tummy. Yeah,
I'll give this a 10 out of 10. It's good.
I'll check it up by the boo.
Okay,
Okay for me.
Mom to the rescue again.
Mama, try acting.
Maui style.
If you guys watch the movie Moana, there's a character named Maui. I think it's still on Netflix. Do you think it is? I don't think it is. Because it's old now.
It tastes like orange.
Orange.
I mean, it's good. 9 out of 10.
These ones are my favorite chips. I
You
know what
can
those
find-
taste like.
You can find this all around stores.
Anyway,
Yeah, everywhere.
open it and taste it.
We should try this one.
Yeah.
And this is called Aloha Hawaii.
I don't know this taste but that's it.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. We have to piece with everyone. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it tastes good. Ooh.
Qué bueno es así.
Gushy. Gushy mushy. Alikah got the biggest piece. It doesn't smell very good.
I don't like it.
Don't like it.
It tastes
0
good.
out of 10.
No, it tastes good.
Taste buds are
Okay, guys, now this time.
We all have to try this one. It's a part of Hawaii set.
Guys, it's hot and nice hot.
Okay, so these are called Hawaii kettle style potato chip. It's called
I'm not trying
luau barbecue.
This not make right.
It kind of looks spicy.
But I don't like it. I don't like spicy. This makes spicy.
Oh, it's sweet and spicy. Mom, try this. It's sweet and spicy.
Mom, I don't like this. You'll see
good.
that. You see it like
Kind
this,
of spicy.
guys. Okay, guys. No, I don't like it.
What? Hey! So what did you guys think overall about the box?
So the box is very good. Lots of them were very good.
Let's take this out now and
Okay, I can't eat. That was spicy. Okay, so
Read this to them.
okay, so it says want more snacks from Hawaii. Visit
okay, guys.
snackcake.com Hawaii.
This, this.
Well, it's kind of backwards for you. But so that's what it said. Okay.
Stickers.
I'm not take them out.
Okay. That's it for the video.